Alright, I'm going to try something. A friend of mine said there used to be a thing where you vibrate the lock. I don't know if this is big enough, but shake it enough it'll turn. So let's find out. Nope. Let's try this side. That didn't work. Let's try this. If I feel anything that moves in there or not. I don't feel any pins. There's got to be though. Was it just a slot in there that turns? Well, whatever I'm doing it wrong. 'Cause it ain't working. Alright, well, that didn't work. There's something springy there. Is there a post in the middle? Is that deep? Looks like the key might have a hollow point in the middle. I don't even know what's in there. Oh, I see. There's another layer back there. Get you a little lower. You see in there there's a second hole back there. It looks like it's out of line with the first one. But then this side here has a wall, and this side here doesn't appear to have that same wall. Let's get a better look. I wonder if, well, maybe not. See, I've been scratching at it. I wonder if the pins go this way and go past that. I don't know. Whatever I got's too big. It'd be nice if I had the key.